back to our Valentine's Day special debate. It's the love debate. Pyar kiya to darna kya? Let's get you the next big question that we're asking on the show. Is India failing to evolve an Indian definition of modernity? Are we becoming far too westernized when we approach love, romance and all those other categories? Let's get some voices in now from our young audience. Are you, as a young person, mindlessly following Western culture?
I believe that self-proclaimed moral policing is bad for us, but we should differentiate between love and sex. This time what we are doing sex on behalf of love. We are against the pyar kiya to darna kya. But the thing is,
people are having sex instead of falling in love.
Exactly.
Okay, how many agree with that? No one agrees with that. You're completely the minority.
But the thing is that
no one is having sex here.
The way the Krishna loved, it was actually love. But the smooches and these all things holding hands.
No, but I have a question.
Okay, so you think it's wrong for people to kiss and smooch in public?
Exactly.
Okay, go ahead.
Fact that Valentine's Day is given so much publicity. Why do you want to give Valentine's Day so much publicity? Because it is a Western concept. Yeah. Why don't you go with the Indianness? The problem is that if you want to love, go ahead for any other day. Why do you choose Valentine's Day? And then again, love is not a concept that is for only one day. Please don't.
No, I'll tell you.
Do you buy red balloons on Valentine's Day? Do you buy balloons because you see it on TV?
No,
you buy the cards when you see it on TV? Then how can you say that it's being propagated by television? It's a choice. I've never bought red balloons, but I know.
But this whole discussion about Valentine's Day.
The point
then
is,
why are you discussing about Valentine's Day?
The point is,
don't discuss. The whole month of Vasant in Hindu tradition, Indian tradition. Vasant is the month of love. Why not propagate Vasant?
It is being promoted.
Because we are sold out to institutional companies. We are sold out to artists.
You had your say, sir. Now let's go to the gentleman here in the blue. Go ahead.
First of all, I am getting rather confused about this debate here. Talk about the Indian concept of reciprocity. The West has adopted and they just celebrate so many of our cultures, so many of our festivals and all. So what is so wrong about our Indians adopting their one Valentine's Day?
What's wrong in India adopting one?
Just like we celebrate Diwali, just like we celebrate Holi. So what is so wrong about identifying with one day to celebrate love? So what is so wrong?
Art of love from the West. We have the best ways of art of love. We are opposed to a particular brand converting our feelings and sentiments, emotions of love into a product.
Mr. Ramanathan, sir, I've got a question for you.
So-called custodians of love should know. The so-called so-called custodians of love should know that Indian youth is also trained by their family. That means they have no faith in the family. They have no faith in the young people. What they have faith is in their bullyism, their gundaism.
Ma'am, I would like to interrupt.
No, you've had your say. Pavan, go ahead.
What I want to say is that there is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong in the spirit that is expressed through Valentine's Day. There can be nothing wrong in a country like India. But there is something wrong, and I want the young to introspect also. There is something wrong by which a young educated elite in the cities very often simplistically and mindlessly adopts a Western cultural artifact.
Why is that problematic?
Let me just ask this question. Starting from Jayadev, Vallabhacharya, Chandidas, Bihari, all of these Shringar poets, even Vidyapati, Heer, Ranja, Leela, Majnu, leave aside Kama Sutra. I'm just asking, if I take a spot test, people have forgotten what love really meant in our culture. They only know Valentine's Day.
I don't think so at all. I don't think so. India and its neighbors is a hotbed for opium transfer to the West, which corrupts lives of youths, which kills and destroys families. Are they turning around and saying, this is an Indian export, why are we accepting it?
No, but that is banned. That is banned in India. Let us ban the Valentine's Day also then. By your logic.
I think it's
opium export is banned. If you are equating opium export with Western cultural import, I am very sorry.
It's an export.
That cannot be compared.